Uh, Welcome to Data Addock YouTube channel. And for today's stream number 75, I have special programming related update or uh, what the news is that uh, recently I got to know that from this tech documentary X channel, X account, that there is a new documentary will come for Python, the documentary by Cult Repo, and that trailer is premiered on yesterday. So from its origin in the Netherlands to empowering AI at the global companies, this is Python story. So I was excited that because this kind of documentaries we don't see in regular uh, social media or any uh, I haven't seen those kind of documentaries usually on uh, films like screening or the available social media, because it's new for me. This news is new for me. So I just gone through it and I found that it's worth watching, because for when we say like AI create different like world altogether, and when we say AI or any particularly AI, we means we are interested in AI art, which is like audio type or images or video. So they create different world, and we are interested in that, but we neglect that part actually, which is based on it, like actual coding or actually programming. That part we neglect, and we like it's kind of like back end when part, and we mostly focus on front end part, which just to give you example, like for website, we go through websites and we appreciate the user interference and the uh, like uh, uh, navigation part, but we like as a non-technical person or a tech non usually layman person, they don't appreciate the efforts behind that. So these kind of efforts are needed to appreciate the actual programmer or developer. So with this appreciation we can support the to give encouragement to those programmer or developer who in future will create more kind of this uh, like uh, programming or new stories to and those stories will create different word. So they mention about YouTube channel to for subscription. The full feature film is very, so these are the programmer you can check out. So some are available on X, so you can check that as well. Founder or CEO of Dropbox, so those are uh, already Python becoming distinguished. Pilot.com. I think those are some this which features, the people in these features are related to Python, and they have contributed or somehow use Python to transform the world. And they also supported by Anaconda, Meta AI, Open Open Teams, then PyCharm, then uh, Squansite, and okay. So
Okay, Google, where was PyCon?
let's go through actual trailer, which is I'm very excited to see.
Okay, Google, where was PyCon held in 2015?
In Montreal.
Oh, it was Montreal. Really?
So the story goes that Guido invented Python over a Christmas holiday.
Okay, so story starts with the origin of Python, and we can see that partners are they mention about partners who are, I think, sponsored or contributed to this documentary.
I showed it to Lambert and I said, look what I made. And he types one very short line of code and it crashed.
Invented Python over a Christmas holiday.
I showed it to Lambert and I said, look what I made. And he types one very short line of code and it crashes the interpreter. And he knew that it would.
We can see the joy of creation.
That it would.
The point escaped me. I didn't know why he thought this was better than ABC and why he had done this whole project.
It was a pretty crushing experience, to be honest.
Immediately on trying it, I was just amazed and thought this can't be as good as it is.
You can see Python code, even if you've never written a line of Python. And if you know how programs work, you can understand it and grasp it.
Yes, that's for that sentence, I agree that as a non-technical person, I have, when I started this programming journey, I have I didn't want to invest money at the start because I'm not sure whether I will continue or I will complete or not. So I started with YouTube channels for like basic programming, and for that R and Python I started simultaneously, and with the uh, like simple syntax, I can understand that yeah, this is the some logic behind this particular code, and we need to do this for this output. So those are super easy, and I was like I when we before that, when I heard about programming, so during that time I was scared because I always had thought that those are very complex kind of thing. And also I have seen those snippets of code in books or so or website. So during that time I thought that I couldn't understand because those are complex programming languages, but when it's come to R and Python, those are super easy for me.
See that click in real time.
We were paid our salaries every 2 weeks, and then suddenly in late October, we weren't.
It was a moment where the shit could have hit the fan. If all the Python guys went their separate ways, Python wasn't big enough to survive that at the time.
So there is a twist, and there was chance that those like teams maybe separate or disassemble. So there is a chance. So there is a twist. So it will be like interesting to watch this documentary.
Trying to build a language is non-trivial. That actually took real design, real thought, and real ecosystem collective innovation over the course of decades.
That was my car when I lived in Virginia.
I think it was me who suggested that Guido be called the benevolent dictator. And then Barry suggested benevolent dictator for life.
The Python 2 to Python 3 transition was extremely difficult for the community.
Some of that probably got away from us a little bit in hindsight.
I did feel like Python has a chance of
Okay.
feel like Python has a chance
A little bit in hindsight.
I did feel like Python has a chance of becoming irrelevant.
When you don't.
So with this journey, you will see the Python related progress as well, and there are associated products as well. So like Flask and those different libraries, different packages. So how those integrated over the time, and when we see the any programming languages nowadays. So we have seen like in previous videos that Python is always on now, like for quite few years Python is on top, and they think that in future the Python won't be at the top, but with the progress we have seen, and the also AI is using Python most of the time, so those kind of contribution from Python, I think Python will be at the top for quite some long time as well.
Don't have role models who you can relate to, you start believing that you cannot do it.
When I first saw the Walrus operator, I didn't like it. It got very vocal and blown up.
One person's succinct, elegant code can be another person's unreadable puzzle or obfuscated mess.
Nobody had expected I would resign, and certainly not that I would rage quit over this issue, which essentially it was.
How much of Python's success in AI can be traced back to these scientists in the 90s? 100%.
Python's a fantastic language, even if you're not a scientist. I just don't think it would have risen to the level of dramatic usage without the science first, data science, and machine learning story. We had a massive impact in the world.
So be ready for this documentary and try to watch if possible. It is available on YouTube. So after this, I tried to check their actual X platform, where I got to know that they have website for that, and I thought that why they mention about YouTube always, and subscribe that part. Then I have gone through, so they are now promoting this Python documentary, and also they have this their promotional video about Cult Repo, which is formerly known as Honeypot. So let's try to check that why they are making this programming or open source document related documentaries. So they are focusing now on open source. So because open source related data is quietly readily available, and they can check the source, they can show the technical part as well. But from this documentary I can I'm sure that it's not very technical part, but it's kind of story which in filmmaking narration in process that which will enjoy everyone, whether you are technically sound or not. So let's try to check this as well.
Why does Honeypot have documentary filmmakers on staff?
And exactly how do they fling videos to so many people at once?
It all starts with documentaries on open source technology.
Here is a teaser to the first episode.
We're going to talk to you about the most urgent thing that is on our mind.
Called repository. Called repo.
The stories of these technologies haven't been told in this way before.
These documentaries are great.
Alt Repo, now independently owned.
So from this till the end you will hear only this part, because if you think that there will be something dialogue or some part, but at the end programmers do this clicking on a keyboard, that's it. But these are open, they work on open source language, open source language they are working on, and they also they are not owned by any company or that, they are independently owned. And they mention about YouTube more mainly. So I gone through their website, of course. Then I found that they already have created this kind of open source programming languages like Node, Angular, GraphQL, Rails, TS, uh, those kind of like programming languages they already worked on with the support of these partners, and these are like total films available, documentaries available. You can watch it. You can watch here on this part, or okay, I think for to watch you will directed to, okay, you can watch here or you can watch on their website. You can check their like playlist, this coding bootcamps. Okay, they have mini documentary series as well, and from this team they are like bringing us this all kind of like research related part. But the major action available on YouTube, where they have all the documentaries available, like since they are working on open source programming languages, these documentaries are free to watch and you can go through. So you can watch a whole documentary. After that we have you can have some clips as well, or trailers or mini documentaries types as well. So those are freely available. You can go through it. You can understand the creative process behind that whole open source programming language, or technical can understand basic technical part as well. So here we can say that React.js documentary is available here. So all those details are available. You can go through this and it's free. So I'm very excited to watch this documentary for Python. I will try to come up with a review as well, what I understand from that documentary. So that's it today for Data IDOC, and let's meet next time with another interesting data related topic. Thank you.